Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell. Levels or ranges. Value area, high, VAH, 6,692. The high ridge overlooking the valley. A climb above here means the outlaws have escaped into the hills. Value area, low, VAL, 6,676. The dusty floor of the saloon where the brawls usually end. Breaking below suggests a long ride into the desert. Point of control, POC, 6,684. The town square, where the most business was settled between the local ranchers and the bankers. Support zone, 6,665 to 6,676. The barricaded entrance to the town. Plenty of deputies waiting here to catch a falling market. Resistance zone, 6,692 to 6,702. The fortified bank vault. It takes a lot of dynamite for the buyers to blow through this level. Single prints, escape paths, lower, 6,660 to 6,665, a desolate stretch of cactus and sand. If price enters, it might slide fast until it hits a new outpost. Upper, 6,000 to 700 to 6,000 to 710, the open plains. Once past the ridge, there's nothing but clear sky for the bulls to gallop. Market context. The current market is acting like a weary traveler circling the campfire, with price staying mostly within the previous day's range. The bulls managed to push the town borders higher over the last few sessions, but they seem to be running low on water near 6,702. We are in a balanced state, waiting for a catalyst to kick off a stampede in either direction. 3-day march through the frontier. Day 3, March 15th. POC, 6,647. High, 6,663. Low, 6,608. The frontier was quiet, with only a few tumbleweeds moving through the lowlands. Day 2, March 16th. POC, 6,662. High, 6,734. Low, 6,648. A sudden gold strike sent the prospectors climbing the peaks, but the trail was too steep to maintain. Day 1, March 17th. POC, 6,684. High, 6,702. Low, 6,665. The sheriff has finally restored order at the 6684 town square, keeping the peace for now. Value has steadily climbed over the 3 sessions, though the pace of the advance is slowing as the altitude increases. Acceptance above VAH would crown a continuation of the rally. Volume analysis. Cumulative. Volume delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD. 31 contracts. The morning started with a quiet poker game and very little betting. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD climbed to 1,748. A group of ranchers came into town and started buying up all the supplies. Current CVD, 747, net 716 from open, showing that the buying enthusiasm has cooled off since the morning rush. Intraday low, CVD, low, negative 2,506. A moment of panic when it looked like the outlaws were going to take the town. Interpretation. Aggressive sell-side delta entering late session. Any rally will need fresh buying energy to push past VAH. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone near VAL, 6,676 to 6,680. Stop loss below the support zone at approximately 6,665. 1 ATR below the low, or use ATR approximately 7 points below entry. Profit target Initial target at POC, 6,684. Major target at VAH, 6,692. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of VAH, 6,692 to 6,702, or breakdown through VAL. Stop loss. Above the resistance ridge at approximately 6,709 or ATR above entry. Profit target. POC for first partial, then VAL. Position sizing. Use a maximum 1 to 2% account risk per idea, equalized by stop distance. Trail stops to the last defended level after first target. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above VAH. Bulls find a second wind and blast through the ridge at 6,692. Setup. Enter long above 6,692 with stop at 6,684 POC. Target 6,705 plus on momentum continuation. Scenario B, rejection at VAH. The bank vault at 6,692 is too tough to crack and the sellers push back. Setup. Short on first failure off VAH. Stop above 6,702. Target POC, then VAL. Scenario C, failure at VAL. The saloon floor gives way at 6,676 and everyone falls into the cellar. Setup. Shorter break below 6,676. Stop above 6,683. Recent swing high. Target 6,665 area. Scenario D, value bounce. Buyers defend the town entrance at 6,676 and push price back to the square. Setup. Long at 6,676. Stop at 6,669. Target P, OC, then VAH. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.